Hello, thank you for tuning into my channel. We're making Dresden wedges today. So if you want to see how to use this ruler and scraper to make wedges for this plate, please stay tuned. We're going to start with cutting the fabric for our Dresden wedges. I'm going to be using this Easy Dresden quilt ruler by Darlene Zimmerman, and it has the measurements for the size of the wedge here by inches, inch and a half, 2 inches, and so on. And so to start this, I'll cut a strip to match one of these sizes, and then I can just determine what size I need. This ruler comes with, there's a pattern inside the pack, and it comes with a little I guess like a little point turner thingy that I'll be using to flatten some of the seam allowances inside my Dresden plate. First thing I'm going to do is take a strip of fabric. This is just some remnant fabric left over from another project. I'm going to fold it with the selvages at the end and then fold it back on itself. Try to keep it smooth. And then with my rotary cutter, I'm going to take a straight edge and make a straight edge here. And then since I'm a lefty, I'm going to turn the ruler around. This ruler is 6 inches wide, and I'm making a 6-inch strip. So I'll start here. And even though this quilt is scrappy, I have enough fabric to make 12, to put one strip of this in each block. So I'm going to do that. Okay, that goes to the side. Now I have the ruler, I have the fabric strip turned and folded so that I can get 4 cuts at a time. And I'm a lefty again, so I'm just going to line up the top of the top of the fabric is at the 6-inch mark, and the bottom is lined up with the bottom of the fabric. And I'm just going to overcut this. I'm leaving my selvage out. I'm going to overcut it here, turn it around, turn the fabric around and the ruler, line up the same way. Here's the 6-inch mark, and then the bottom is lined up with the bottom of the fabric. And there. With 2 cuts, it's giving me 4 units. And then I'm going to just keep the ruler the same way. And all you do to get the different cuts is alternate, so you're only making 1 additional cut. So here is the second cut. And now I have 8. The third cut. And I just flip the ruler around to get this next cut because it lines up with this edge of the fabric. And there we have it. And this is just scrap now to go in my scrap bin. We have 12 cuts of fabric to go with each of the 12 blocks.